Hello. Today we're learning the phrase bang on about something. It means to talk a lot about something. Usually someone does this too much or annoyingly. For example, if your friend talks nonstop about their new phone, you can say you bang on about that phone a lot. This phrase is informal and often used in British English. Remember, bang on about is inseparable. You say bang on about something, not bang about something. You can use it to show you're bored or annoyed with repeated talking. For instance, he bangs on about his job all the time. It's different from ramble on, which means to talk in a confused way. Bang on about means repeating the same topic again and again. Synonyms include go on about and talk endlessly about. Use it in casual conversations or informal writing. Try to avoid it in formal situations. Now let's try an example. If your sister talks too much about her favorite series, you say, "Stop banging on about that show." Easy, right? Practice using this phrase with your friends. You'll sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for watching. See you next time.